Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pie gag in Roblox. First, open Roblox Studio and start a new baseplate project. Next, insert a basic part from the Home tab. You'll want to resize and reshape this part to look like a delicious pie. Don't forget to change its material and color to give it that authentic, creamy texture and golden brown crust. This initial setup is crucial for our fun prank. Now let's make our pie throwable. Add a new script directly into your pie part within the Explorer window. This script will contain the magic that brings our gag to life. We'll write code to detect when a player clicks on the pie. Upon clicking, the script will apply a force, launching the pie forward with a satisfying trajectory. Imagine the anticipation as your pie soars through the air. Every good pie gag needs a spectacular splat. For this, we'll create a separate flat part that will serve as our splat effect. Design it to be thin and wide, matching the pie's color. We'll then attach a script to this splat part. This script will ensure the splat appears precisely at the point of impact, creating a messy, humorous visual. It's all about that perfect, messy finish. Finally, let's bring everything together and test our creation. We'll integrate the throwing script with the splat script, ensuring a seamless transition from throw to impact. Spend some time testing your pie gag within Roblox Studio. Experiment with different throwing forces and splat sizes. You might find that a force of around 100 to 200 studs per second works best. Refine until your pie gag is perfectly hilarious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.